Hi, this short video is going to be on the speech preparation process and what you should be thinking about and doing while you're going through and preparing your speech. It's got two main parts. First of all is the planning stage in a speech. With planning, this is the invention and the arrangement part. You've done your research, you've thought about your topic, you're thinking about your audience, you're doing all of these things, and you're going back and forth between inventing, thinking about what you're thinking about, and arranging, putting things in order so it makes sense for your audience and for your topic and your time limit. Then, once you actually get done kind of with this first part of planning, because you'll never actually be done with it, but you're done with that first part of planning, then the next stage has three parts, and this is going to be run, reflect, and revise. Okay, so run is when you're actually doing your speech, you're practicing it, and you're delivering it in as close to a situation as you're actually going to be giving it for points or for a job interview or whatever. So you run the speech to see how it goes. Next, you reflect. And you sit back and you think, okay, how did that go? Oh, I stumbled a lot on this one part. Oh, gee, my introduction is really weak. I need to do something about that. Reflecting, it really helps if you can record your speech, which is one of the reasons why that's a lab exercise, because by reflecting with a video, you've got some actual hard data that is outside you. So you don't have to think back, but you can actually watch what you did rather than rely on your memory, which may have been distracted at the time. The last step here is revise. There's no point in running and reflecting if you're not also going to make some steps to revise your speech. If there are problems, if the structure is unclear, if your transitions aren't good, if you realize you don't have support for a point, go back and change those things. If there's a word that you consistently stumble over, find another word for it. Or if you tend to lisp with your S's, then find another way to say a word, another word that you can use so that you don't have to use sounds that maybe your tongue just can't do too well. So run, reflect, revise is going to be the process of kind of developing that style, memory, and delivery part of the rhetorical canons. You may find out after running, reflecting, and revising that you've got to go all the way back to invention, to the planning stage. And that's perfectly fine, because speech preparation is going to be a cycle. You're going to go back at times to find out how to do things better. See you guys in class.